Right, what is this? This is a 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander. It has just come from brake something or the other. I won't say which one, but that's the name they have in their title. Has a number of things that they say is wrong. Let me read out what the customer told me, and I did actually see on a piece of paper. They say it needs new front struts, new rear struts, a cabin air filter, brake fluid change, coolant change, a CV axle, the engine needs cleaning, it needs an air filter and needs a wheel alignment. I'm going to show you some things on this, and you can tell me what you think. Now, as I said, this was a brake company. I'm assuming it went in, and I don't know why, for sure, because I haven't spoken to the customer about this, why they took it there. I'm assuming they took it in for some brake work. Now, looking at it, in here, those pads look reasonably new, but I would say they haven't been replaced. Not in a while, but it depends when he went to brake you know, thing. No, it's not Brake Masters. Damn, I gave it away. So they don't look new. The front ones are definitely not new. You can just look at them. Again, I have to caveat what I'm saying with the fact that I don't know when they went to Brake Masters. However, inside there, let's see if you can see it. Hang on, let me try and get the... See that rubber hose? That should be in that bracket. If they took the calipers off to inspect the brakes, that would surprise me, because you don't really need to take them off. I don't know. I've got to find out what this person was taking it there for and what they paid for, if anything. Maybe they didn't pay for anything. We come around this side. Hang on, I've got to find it. Same thing. That hose has not been put in the bracket. There's a reason that's there. That's to hold it out of the way of the wheel, so that it doesn't get cut through and you don't lose your brakes. That is most definitely a leaking front strut. So I'll give them that. Yes, the struts need replacing. And you don't do them singly, you do them together. And it is a lot cheaper because of labour, etc., to replace the strut as a complete unit, which is what I shall recommend. Then the customer can make their own mind up. The rears, let's see, I don't know if we can see them easily enough. Now, hang on a second. There's the rear. There, absolutely nothing wrong with the rears. I jumped up and down on this thing. It's got a tow bar on it and it hardly moved. So there is nothing wrong with the rears. They do not need replacing. What else did they say on this? Oh, cabin air filter. I'll get to that in a minute. Air filter, yes, it is a little grubby. It's not terrible, but it's a little grubby. CV axle, there is absolutely nothing wrong with the CV axles. Surprised they didn't pick up on this. Both of these fog lights, spotlights, whatever you want to call them, are smashed. But that's a cosmetic thing, and that's up to the owner if he wants those done. If it was me, yes, I'd do them. So what I want to do is, I'm a little curious about the brake pads on the other side. The pad looks crooked. So I'm going to take the wheel off on the other side and we'll see what we've got. So let me do that. Okay, the pads aren't terribly worn. Should he replace them? Now let me get my other light out. See, hang on a second. Not yet. That's what I'd say. Not yet. But here you can see, if I can get the light in the right place, this. It should be around there and in there. You see how long that took me? Why shall I charge them 3 hours for that? I bet the company would. Not me. I've got morals. Now, CV axle does not need replacing. This one here, as you can see, yeah, there's a little bit of dampness there. But it's not, the boot is not split. There is no grease flying out. I took it for a test drive. No strange noises. It does not need replacing. They lied. Now, of course, when you do the strut on one side, you do the strut on the other, and that wouldn't be any harm because, look, you know, the gator's all split. And that's not a good thing. It's not terrible, but it's not a good thing. So, yeah, got a little bit of dampness, as I said, on the CV axle. But that is nothing to worry about. Let me go to the one on the other side. Same thing, got a bit of dampness on it. It's not terrible, it's not wet, and it sure as hell isn't tons and tons of grease flying out. Does not need replacing. Now, will it need replacing in the future? Yeah. Again, you can see here, initially, I've got to say, when I saw this, I thought, they sprayed it deliberately. But no, looking up there, no, this baby's leaking. So it does need replacing. And again, here, this should be around and in there. It just takes a few moments to do the job properly. But of course, most of these places don't. Now, they've had the wheel off, and what I will do, and I'm going to do it before I put these wheels back on, is I'll put some copper grease on here. Why? Because this is steel, the wheel is aluminium or aluminum, and they tend to bond together. So with a bit of grease on there, that will do it good. And also I'll grease the nuts, or the lug nuts. Oh, and that was another thing. These lug nuts were definitely not done up to torque. They were too easy to get undone. I didn't check the torque, I must admit. Maybe I'll do that on the rear and see what number I get. I believe I'm correct in saying it's 95. I'll check that first. Yeah. Right, what else did they say? Oh, the cabin air filter. Let's have a look at that. Okay, it's the usual cabin air filter behind the glove box here. I did take it out and I put it all back before I filmed it, unfortunately. It's a little grubby. Does it need replacing? It's a good idea, let me put it that way. And that's what I'll say to the customer. It's up to him. It's got a couple of little bits of leaves in it, but it's not filthy. So, what can I conclude on this one? Right. Front struts, yes, definitely need replacing. Rear struts, no. Cabin air filter, it's a good idea. Brake fluid, yeah, afraid so. Coolant, no, that's perfectly okay. It was down a little low, so I've topped it up. CV axle, no, definitely not needed. Engine cleaning, not really. I mean, yes, dusty, but I doubt it really needs to be cleaned unless you're going to be showing the car. Personally, I wouldn't worry about it. I mean, yes, I do keep my own engines clean, but that's just because I'm a freak. Air filter, yeah, the air filter needs replacing. There's no two ways about it. So that's about it. Oh, well, they did put wheel alignment. Well, wheel alignment is not something I can do, but once the front struts are replaced, it is a good idea to have a wheel alignment checked. And I will tell them where they can get that done. That's it on this. It's a very short video. If the customer decides to go ahead and wants me to do the work, then I'll do a video on that, and that'll probably be in a week or so's time. Hope you enjoyed that. Now get out of my garage, go do some shit.